Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use the Brilliant mobile app to learn by doing, right on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, what is Brilliant? Brilliant is an interactive learning app that helps you understand concepts through practice, visual explanations, and step-by-step problem solving. Instead of just watching videos, Brilliant focuses on active learning, where you learn by actually doing the work. To begin, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone, search for Brilliant, then download and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll see two options, sign in or continue. If you already have an account, tap on sign in and log in. If you're new to the app, tap continue and then tap continue again. Brilliant will now ask you a few questions about your goals and interests. This helps the app personalize your learning experience. After answering these questions, tap the continue button once again. Next, you'll see different learning categories such as math, science, computer science and programming, data analysis. Choose any course you like. For example, select math. After that, answer a few more questions related to your selected course and your daily learning goal. Now, tap the continue button 3 times to reach the sign up screen. You can sign up using Apple ID, Google account, or email. Choose the option you prefer. Then enter your full name and age and tap the sign up button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign up process. Once you're signed up, tap the start button to begin learning. Inside, you'll get interactive questions, visual puzzles, step-by-step challenges. You solve problems directly on your screen, and Brilliant explains each step clearly. The app also tracks your daily progress, completed lessons, and learning streaks. You can learn at your own pace anytime and anywhere. Even just a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Brilliant offers both free and premium options. The free version includes limited lessons, while the premium version gives you full access to all courses. You can start for free and upgrade later if you want more advanced content. Brilliant also has a courses tab where you can see all topics related to your selected course. So that's how you can use the Brilliant mobile app to learn by doing on your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.